Hello, Chef here. So a real quick video to show you a little bit about roasted turkey. You can learn a little bit more. You never stop learning. So the first thing you want to do is check your turkey. This one's been roasting a few hours, and there's two ways to check it. One of them is right here. Let me see. Get on this baby. There we go. So one of them is right here. Chef's pocket thermometer. You can also put it in ice water. So here, I'm using the thermometer. You want to check the center of the breast, like this. I'll move in there for you. And ideally, you'd like the center of the breast to be at least 160 degrees Fahrenheit. As long as it's climbing up, 140, 145, it's still going up, 150, okay, 160. It's good. I know it's done. You'll learn from years of experience. I've cooked thousands of turkeys. Okay, so I know it's done. There's some more tricks too. I won't get into all those, but one more little thing you can do is check the turkey. Just going to remove this leg here a little bit and make sure the joint is loose. Yep, it's loose. It's done. It's beautiful. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Of course, we're going to be making some mashed potatoes and stuffing and gravy and all these other fine things. Like, share, subscribe, and by subscribing you'll be able to follow along. Check out some of the other recipes. There's a bunch of turkey stuff on the channel, and yeah, that's gonna be good. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. This knife is very, very sharp. Okay, it's not even puncturing my thumb here. Okay, really, really nice. So if you're looking for the good stuff, right there, your sponsor. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a great day.